What's up, guys? James here with Fun Fact of the Day. Hope you guys are having a great day, learning lots, and getting stuff done. Today, we're here to talk about why people smell bad. Yeah, we're talking about me today. So, when most people think about smelling bad, they think about sweat, and those people are, in a way, correct. Now, most of the sweat that you see on your body is from crine sweat glands, which are the sweat glands that release mostly water and salt. And those don't usually cause any sort of bad smell. They're odorless. However, the sweat glands that start to develop around the time that you hit puberty are the sweat glands that cause the bad smell. They are called apocrine sweat glands, and they're under your armpits and your groin. Now, the sweat that those produce is filled with proteins and fats that bacteria love to eat. So, when you sweat in your armpits and groin with your apocrine sweat glands, the bacteria in there chow down, and when they do that, they create a sort of excrement, basically bacteria poop, that is filled with sulfur and carboxylic acid. Now, those two things cause the oniony smell that you're used to smelling during a sweat, and the kind of funky cheese odor that a lot of people end up getting. Now, you're probably wondering, why do some people smell so much worse than others? Well, that all comes down to three things. The first of which is your genes. You've got to wash them. I'm telling you, this online craze of never washing your jeans. No, I'm kidding. It's your genetic genes. They determine how much fat and protein your apocrine glands secrete. In fact, in Eastern Asia, most people there have a gene that prevents their apocrine glands from secreting almost anything. And because of that, they have almost no body odor. It's amazing. The second major thing to look out for is your food. The more fat and protein you eat, the more your apocrine glands are going to secrete it. The third thing is the amount of adrenaline you have. So, if you're doing something that causes you to produce a lot of adrenaline, like cliff jumping or a really, really stressful test, or really anything stressful at all, you are going to produce more apocrine gland sweat, and therefore more body odor. So, if you were curious as to how to reduce your body odor, I would recommend these three things. Number 1, don't have bad genes. Number 2, sit on the couch all day and don't do anything stressful. And number 3, eat nothing but lettuce. Just kidding. I'm not a nutritionist. Do not take that advice. And that's it. If you enjoyed this video at all, please leave a like down below. And in the comments, leave a story about a time when you were seriously affected by body odor. Thank you. Have a great day.